Keep your food fresh and secure with the Tamashi 194L chest freezer, NCX200G. Compact yet powerful, this freezer is designed for modern homes and businesses. With mechanical temperature control and a fast freezing function, it locks in freshness and flavor instantly. The LED light and power indicator make it easy to use, while the lock and key system ensures your items stay safe. Strong, efficient, and reliable, Tamashi gives you the perfect balance of performance and energy savings. Whether it's for family meals or business storage, this freezer is built to deliver. Available now at Good Luck Africa Limited. Call us today on 0204391011 or 0237300000 to order yours. Good Luck Africa, your trusted partner for quality home appliances,